Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Boucher. I know I'm wearing this kind of wintry sweater, but you know, it's a little colder. It's like 64 in my house, so I needed to bundle. Even though, yes, it's almost summer. Well, today I'm gonna make some bok choy. I'm gonna make a little side dish. I bought this baby bok choy because it's the cutest thing ever, and it's really good. So I'm just gonna cut the bottom off. I'm gonna wash the bok choy. So I forgot to tell you what you need for this recipe. And this is probably like a 2-portion bok choy, maybe like a 1 portion. It's not gonna make that much because the bok choy gets smaller when you cook it. But you know, I only bought 1 for some reason, so. And then I have some garlic oil that I made the other day. I have a recipe video for this. It's garlic confit, basically. And then I'm gonna top with some sesame oil, some shoyu, which is soy sauce. So next I'm just gonna chop the leaves off, and then I'm gonna quarter the stem. And there we go. There's our bok choy. I'm gonna heat up a skillet with garlic and garlic oil, and then I'm gonna saute this bok choy. And I'm not gonna add the sesame oil till the end. I'll see you at the stove. So the stove is on medium heat. I'm gonna add some oil, some garlic. I'm just gonna dice up this garlic a little bit, real quick. Now I'm gonna add the bok choy in. Make sure it gets coated. I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil. I think it would have been a little better to use a wok that has higher walls. I'm gonna add some soy sauce and some water. You just want to add a little bit of water. Almost to steam it a little bit. Add some pepper, a little bit of garlic. You can feel this is definitely getting a little bit softer as it cooks down. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of ginger powder to add that flavor. I do love ginger. So the water is almost cooked off, so I'm gonna say it's almost ready. Give it another minute or so. Look how soft this is getting. It's very soft. Probably could have chopped this and this one more time, but you live and you learn. All right, this is looking good. This looks so good. A little bit of bok choy. Oh. It did end up taking took like 9 minutes. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of sesame oil to top it off. Let's try it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It shouldn't surprise me, but it's so freaking good. If you're just looking for a new side dish, you can really try this. Bok choy is Chinese cabbage. Yeah, if you never knew it, saw it at the grocery store, didn't know how to cook it, this is one really good way to cook it. And you can like mix in onions if you wanted. A lot of the time people use bok choy in soups, and you can like dice it a bit smaller. It's really good. It tastes like garlic, sesame, really fresh, like the right amount of saltiness. It's a little similar to spinach, but just has a way better flavor. I really don't love cooked spinach. This is delicious. If you don't like spinach, try this because it's so good. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.